Here, I want to explain the question of Elementary English Test 2 Part 2. Number 16. My mother and father blank at work. A is, B am, C are, D none is correct. The answer is C. This choice is based on the proper use of the verb to be in the present tense, which requires a change to match the subject of the verb. In this context, my mother and father are at work, indicating that both individuals are engaged in the activity of working. Therefore, the plural subject they requires the plural form of the verb to be, which is are. 17. It blanks Monday today. A is, B am, C are, D none is correct. The answer is A, is. This selection is consistent with the appropriate use of the verb is to describe the current day of the week. The other option, am, are, and none is correct because they do not match the context of describing the current day. 19. It's good practice blank you. A for, B at, C of, D in. The answer is A for. The phrase "it's good practice for you" in this correct usage in English. For is the preposition that correctly indicates the purpose or benefit of the practice for the person being referred to. In this context, for is used to show the intended recipient or beneficiary of the practice. Therefore, option A, for, is the appropriate choice. I'm blank home. A in, B on, C at, D from. The answer is C, at. Why? The phrase I'm home indicates that the speaker has arrived at their place of residence. In English, we use the preposition at to indicate a specific location. Therefore, the correct preposition to use in this context is at. The sentence will be correctly written as I'm at home. 1. I'm blank LaGuardia Community College. A in, B on, C at, D off. The answer is C, at. Why? The preposition at is used to indicate a specific location or position, such as a college or institution. In this sentence, I'm at a college indicates that the speaker is currently located at the college or educational institute. At is the appropriate preposition to use in this context to convey the speaker's location accurately. Therefore, the correct choice is C, at. 22. I'm blank New York. A in, B for, C at, D off. The answer is A, in. Why? The sentence I'm New York suggests that the speaker is stating their location, which is the city of New York. In English, when stating one's location, the preposition in is used to indicate being inside or within the boundaries of the city, country, or other geographic location. Therefore, the correct preposition to use in this context is in, making the sentence I'm in New York. 23. I'm blank a class blank 8 other students. A in or for, B at or of, C in or with, D at or of. The correct answer to the question is option C, in or with. In this evident from the concept provided in the question, which indicates that the speaker is referring to a specific place, implying togetherness or unity within the context of a classroom setting. The use of within is consistent with how definition of with, as it can mean accompanied by or joined by, making option C the accurate choices to complete the sentence. 24. I live blank an apartment blank 2 American boys. A. In or of, B. At or with, C. In or with, D. Of or with. The correct answer to the question is indeed option C, in or with. This is consistent with the context given in the question, which states, I live in an apartment with American boys. The prepositions in and with are interchangeable in this sentence, but conveying the meaning of living together or being present with particular group or space. 25. Central Park is lovely, blank the snow. A, at, B, and C, off, D, with. The correct answer to the question is indeed option B, in. This, this is consistent with the structure of the sentence provided in both searches, which state the Central Park is lovely in the snow. The preposition in is used to indicate that the subject, which is Central Park, is surrounded by or immersion in the snow, making the place lovely in the snow. Describe the park's appearance or condition during winter. Blank is his job. He blank a policeman. A, which or is. B, what or are. C, what or is. D, where or is. The correct answer is C, what or is. Explanation. In the given dialogue, X is asking about someone's job, which requires the question word what. The correct completion of the sentence is X. What is the job? He is a policeman. Therefore, option C, what or is, the correct choice. 27. He blank from Argentina. He is blank Mexico. A, is or from. B, isn't or from. C, isn't or in. D, aren't or in. The correct answer is A, is or from. Why? The correct completion of the sentence is he is from Mexico. He is from Argentina. Here, is the correct form of the verb to be to use with the subject he, and from is the correct preposition to indicate origin or nationality. 28. Blank is a hamburger and chips. They're pounds 50. A, how many. B, how often. C, how much. D, how long. The correct answer is C, how much. Why? In the given dialogues, X is asking about the price of a hamburger and chips, which requires the question how much. The correct completion of the sentence is how much is hamburger and chips? £3.50. Therefore, option C, how much, is the correct choice. 29. Easy across blank. A, cold. B, cheap. C, the French. D, difficult. The correct answer is D, difficult. Why? The word easy is an antonym of difficult. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Therefore, option D, difficult, is the correct choice. 13. Lovely across blank. A, old. B, expensive. C, horrible. D, quick. The answer of question is C, horrible. Why? The word lovely is an antonym of horrible. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Therefore, option C, horrible, is the correct choice. Thank you, everyone.